My name is Jane, and I've got osteoporosis, but I'm an on-the-go woman. I've been active all my life. That's why I'm excited about Reclast. It's the once-a-year IV osteoporosis treatment. Reclast helps to re-strengthen my bones to help make them resistant to fracture. And with Reclast, well, no other osteoporosis treatment is approved to help protect in more places. Hips, spine, even other bones.
You should not take Reclast if you're on Zometa, have low blood calcium or kidney problems, or you're pregnant, plan to become pregnant, or are nursing. Take calcium and vitamin D daily. Tell your doctor if you develop severe muscle, bone, or joint pain. If you have dental problems, as jawbone problems have been reported, or if you develop new or unusual pain in your hip, groin, or thigh. The most common side effects include flu-like symptoms, fever, muscle or joint pain, headache, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. If you have questions about your current treatment, ask your doctor about Reclast.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.